Hello, everybody. Welcome to Huichengsheng and our factory. Our factory is located in Foregin city of Guangdong province in China. We have two workshops and 3,000 square meters and more than 40 staff in our factory. We have 20 years experience and make long-standing customer sites for us, such as continuous, computer for us, and P-type for us, and so on. We also build a heat treatment workshop. If you want to make a good quality products, we can give you more heat treatment service and suggest. This workshop is service our domestic customer first. The foreign market is very hot. This order is from India, Vietnam, and Malaysia. The endemic has been end. The market is very hot. We look forward to become partner with you and create more ways and way to win. Thank you.